In today's video, I'm answering some of the questions you ask me most often. Where is the sports zone? Where is the second beach? Where is the second entrance? And where is the golf course? Many of you have visited Vistacana, but you may still not know where these places are, or where some of them are being developed. So I took out my action camera, placed it on a magnetic mount, attached it to the top of my vehicle, and decided to drive to all these areas. The next time you visit Vistacana, you can use this video as your personal guide. I only ask one thing in return. If you use this video to find these locations and record something while you are there, please tag me at Properties by Masters. That will let me know this video helped guide you. Thank you in advance. Now let's begin. I am currently driving on Rainieri Boulevard in the direction of the airport. As we approach Vistacana, the road on the right takes us towards the community. One of the first things you will notice is a tall structure displaying the names La Nube and Sirena. This is part of the new commercial area Vistacana is developing, where you will eventually find many different types of businesses and services. Sirena Supermarket is already open and has been operating since December 2025. As we continue, we arrive at the large wall announcing that we have reached Vistacana. Directly in front of us is the Vistacana Business Center. Please pay close attention to the speed bumps. They were not placed here to see who can drive over them the fastest, or to test the condition of your shock absorbers. They are here to slow down traffic and protect the people crossing from one side of the road to the other. After passing this section, we continue towards Vistacana's main entrance. Visitors and owners who do not yet have an access card should stay to the left. You will need to present your ID and receive a visitor placard to place on your dashboard. Owners who already have their access card should stay to the right. You simply tap the card reader, the gate opens, and you proceed. And here is where the journey begins. The first thing we reach is a rotary. We will go around it and continue straight. On the right, you will notice a large, deep construction area. This is believed to be the future location of the Voco Hotel, a brand operating under the IHG Hotels and Resorts umbrella. IHG represents several well-known hotel brands around the world. As we continue, you can begin to see Vistacana's first man-made beach. At the moment, this is also where you will find Vistacana's main social and recreational area. Here you can find a Mediterranean restaurant, an Italian restaurant, a sport fishing lake, kayak rentals, scooter rentals, golf cart rentals, swimming pools for adults and children, and a venue that can be rented for private events. We will now go around this second rotary and continue towards the next rotary just up ahead. At this point, you have two main choices. You can continue around the rotary toward the left or take the road to the right. For the purpose of today's video, turning right gives us the most direct route. As we drive through this area, you will see several residential projects. Some have already been completed, while others remain under construction. Yes, there has been delays with some developments. However, when you see workers actively on site, it provides some reassurance that construction is continuing. And now on your right hand side, we have reached the sports zone. This is one of the locations many of you have been asking about. And by the way, throughout today's tour, we will visit several areas that I have already recorded from the air with my drone. To see those aerial footages and continue following the progress as it happens, visit my Instagram page and follow me at Properties by Masters. At this new rotary, we will drive around it and stay to the right. As we continue, you will notice more speed bumps. Again, these are here to control the speed of vehicles and help keep the area safe. We eventually arrive at an intersection where we will stay to the right. As you travel through this section, you will again see the amount of construction that is taking place. Vistacana covers a very large area, and what you are seeing today is only a fraction of the entire community. Now we arrive at another intersection. Here we will make a right turn. Turning left would take you into Paseo del Sendero. For those who may not be familiar with Paseo del Sendero, I strongly recommend subscribing to this channel and watch the many videos of projects I've published that are in there. I am frequently in that section recording construction progress, providing updates on existing developments, and introducing new projects. Just beyond this intersection on the left, you will find the entrance to Sabana, Equestrian, and Residences. Horseback riding lessons are available there for a fee. After making the right turn, you will once again see a large amount of construction underway. As we continue, we arrive at another rotary. We will go around it and continue straight. Shortly after passing the rotary, you will begin to see the location of Vistacana's second and larger man-made beach. This beach is still under construction, but the progress is becoming much more visible. Staying on this road will take us towards Vistacana's second entrance and exit, which is located near the next rotary. The entrance is expected to provide another way of entering and leaving the community, helping reduce the amount of traffic using the main entrance. If you travel 3/4 of the way around this rotary and make a right, you will arrive at Ashton School. This bilingual school is preparing to begin this upcoming year within the next few weeks. We are now going to make a U-turn and travel back in the direction we came from. Instead of continuing straight along the same road we used earlier, I will travel 3/4 of the way around this rotary and enter a different road. This gives us another opportunity to see just how much construction is taking place throughout this part of Vistacana. As you can see, there are many different residential options available here. The right choice will depend on your budget, your timeline, the type of property you want, and what you hope to accomplish with your purchase. I invested in a property here in 2021, and I must say that I am genuinely impressed by the progress I have witnessed. 5 years ago, we could not have completed this same drive because many of these roads did not exist. Vistacana is still not finished, but people can already live here and enjoy many of the conveniences and amenities that are currently available. That is important because when buying in a developing community, you are not only purchasing what exists today, you are also investing in the vision of what the community is becoming. We will now turn left as though we are returning to the area where we started. However, when we reach the next division in the road, instead of going left, we will stay to the right. Immediately after passing the speed bump, look toward the right-hand side. Here you will find Vistacana's Illuminated 9-hole 3-par golf course. We have now covered the current amenities here in Vistacana, and this is where we will end today's driving tour. Today I showed you how to reach the shopping center and supermarket, the business center, the sports zone, the second beach, the second entrance, Ashton School, and the golf course. I also gave you a closer look at the amount of construction and expansion taking place throughout Vistacana. The next time you visit, use this video as your guide. And please remember, if this video helps you find any of these locations, tag or mention me at Properties by Masters. I will genuinely enjoy knowing that this tour helped you. If you found value in today's video, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and select all so you will be notified immediately whenever I publish a new video. And please share this video with anyone who owns property, is considering purchasing property, or simply wants to understand Vistacana better. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.